Hi folks, welcome to my Bit Retro Journal. This is a quick clip, 5 minutes or less. I'm doing a very quick unboxing video, and I got a couple of things that I wanted to share with you. So I got this one from a friend for my birthday. This was for a while ago, and then I bought this one. They're both Sinclair rated. So let me open this one up, and I will share with you what's in here. All right, here we go. And I'll just fast forward to opening this. All right. First package came out of this box, and what it is a Tiny Sinclair 1500. That's already in pieces because my friend said it does work, but he said that the membrane was, you see that or not, but that is completely sheared off, so this won't work. He said it did work. Some screws. I don't know what that's for. Oh, I see. It comes out of that. Okay. But yeah, all I wanted to do is I'm just going to plug it in and try to see if it actually works, because he said it did work. So let's try that real quick. I've got my voltage one, so let's give it a try. Oh, what channel is this on? So maybe that needs to be, nope. Oh. He said it worked, but it is not working. It doesn't seem to have a, okay, it's not channel 2. Is it channel 4? Channel 3? Channel 4? Oh, it doesn't have that. Okay, yeah. So, oh, that's a digital one. So this may be on channel 2. So I'll have to try that again. So anyway, let's move on to the next package, which is a much bigger box that I bought. Which is this, so let me do that. Okay, here I am. I took it had some bubble wraps and stuff on top of that. I took that all out. Anyway, here's the main unit. It's a ZX81. It's an American version, NTSC, because it has the modulator on this side. It's got this in here, so this might be a joystick interface, but it's actually, it's in pieces, so no screws. Look at that. Yeah, so you can see it has the silver internals, which is pretty cool. And what's going on here? I'm going to be very careful that, wow, look at that. They cut the keyboard off. So this is actually for an external keyboard. Oh, interesting. I really just want to restore the case. So I'm going to take this out and see if I can't restore that. And then maybe I'll have to get a new membrane. Put that to the side. It's got a RAM pack, but it's not a ZX81 RAM pack, unfortunately. It's just a Timex Sinclair 1016 RAM pack. It's got Sinclair branded. Oh, I always wanted one. This is the one I had. I think it came from the Timex Sinclair 1000, but I always wanted one of these. This is a US Sinclair branded one, so that's really nice. I like that. I got plenty of those. It's got some cassettes, which I'm not all that into, because they're just recorded. This is an assembly instruction manual. Okay, that's cool. And then it came with a couple of books. Now it has this book, which I already have a copy of. So I might put this on the internet and sell it. I might even put this as well, because I already have a couple of RAM packs. But favorite book, but I already have a copy of it, so I might put that on the old internet. And then it's got a couple of these books. Yeah, so anyway, just a quick clip to show you, getting acquainted with your ZX81, learning time single. Anyway, just a quick clip to show you what I got. I'll be working more on that. So I'll end here, and thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.